sandbanks in the middle of the ocean. Waves breaking over there. Incredible. Good morning, world. What a completely surreal place to camp in. Absolutely crazy how the sand dune is going directly into the ocean. This was different in Peru on the world's highest sand dune, which is over 2,000 meters high. Now imagine this. This is what a tent enables you to do for so little money. So much adventure and traveling. I'm so glad that I have a tent. I'm so happy that it's sunny today because now I can dry everything here, and every night your tent and your stuff gets a little bit wet. It's just, I don't know, the night makes everything a little bit wet everywhere the surface. Wow, how wonderful is that? This giant sand dune right to the beach. The Dune de Pilat is up to 110 meters high. It is created by winter storms blowing huge amounts of sand up there and creating this big dune. But now I'm gonna go for a swim because I stink like a fish after all this hitchhiking. So I had a nice and refreshing bath. And now I'm gonna walk over the sand dune and go back to hitchhiking. Today, really exciting day of hitchhiking because I'm gonna try to reach Spain. I'm really excited about Spain, and yeah, maybe I reach Spain today, we will see. The other side is definitely even more surreal. The dune is extremely steep here and it transitions from desert dune right into this pine forest wilderness as far as you can look. Incredible place in the middle of Europe. I would never expect that from Europe. Merci. So now I got a lift from two really interesting people and Lola.
Loli.
Loli. So what are your names?
Maya.
Emil.
Very nice to meet you.
Me
And
too.
they have a really interesting project they want to establish in Bordeaux, right?
Yes,
Yes,
that's it.
thank you.
Can you tell me more about it?
It's like a low-tech way to bike together, like covoiturage. We know covoiturage is to not to be alone in the car, the way it is, and we think it is in the city is to bike together. So 1, 2, 3, 6 places, like a bus, a velo bus will be called too. like love and velo love. That's a project we want to do. Yes, it's co-biking.
I think that's really a really good idea. And he told me a little bit more about it. He wants to put like solar panels on top and maybe even hydrogen. So that's a really ambitious but really cool project for the future.
And it will be collective, and the first one will be to build one for our family. We are three girls, and we want to go with this bike to work and to let our girls on the school at the morning, and then let the bike for another people to use it before we have to go home again and take our girls at the school. That's the project.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, thanks.
We need people like you guys for the future of the planet.
Yes.
Really nice to meet you, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. Have a nice ride.
Wow, these guys were the best. They made me a lunch package, and now I'm at the highway and they picked me up after 2 minutes. Incredible. So I got another lift from these three guys.
Hello.
What are your names, guys?
Tom. Simon.
Jeremiah.
Very nice to meet you. And I always ask these people that I meet one question: how would the world of your dreams look like?
Whoa.
Hard question.
Yeah.
Basically, we are Christians, so I'd say with Jesus, the world would be better.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe they made the same thing.
Okay. Thank you so much for your contribution, and see you next time on the road.
Okay. Good luck for your travel.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bon voyage. Made it another 30 kilometers in the right direction towards Spain, and the hitchhiking fun continues. Okay, it's the end of September and the weather is crazy hot. I bet it's at least 27 degrees or something. It's really hot, and the sun. Okay, on this highway entrance absolutely nothing is going on. I think I'm waiting like 20 minutes and only like 3 cars passed me. I don't understand it. And I'm completely out of water because I didn't find a store yet on my way, on my travels from the dune to here. I luckily have a few grapes and an apple from the guys and the banana, so that will help me a little bit at least. Okay, I've been more than 1 hour in this blazing sun. Maybe 15 cars have passed me, not many. So I'm thinking about changing plans, hitchhiking to a town which is like 3 kilometers this direction on the local road, and then there's a supermarket where I can get some more food and some water, and then from that town I can hitchhike on the local road down the highway to another intersection of the highway where maybe more cars are going, because this is just, yeah, I will get a sun sickness here from all the sun. So I think that's what I'm gonna do now. And it's so weird on these local roads here going across from the highway. There's so many cars and just no one is going on the highway. So very weird. But look at that ideal hitchhiking spot. So I guess I have more luck here. Literally after 1 minute of waiting, I got a ride into this little town here with the supermarket, but sadly I forgot that it's Sunday. And on Sunday in France and Europe, many stores are closed the whole day. So now I'm here almost without food and water. So the only thing I can do is hitchhike on, because I think this is the only store in the town. Yeah, good luck and bad luck. Okay, one car gave me a lift for like 5 kilometers further. And I'm like in the biggest province. There's nothing going on here, no big towns, no stores. It's gonna be difficult to find water. Alright, hitchhiked another little ride. Now I'm at the highway again, different highway entrance. We will see how this one goes. And if there would be any toilet, public toilet, restaurant or anything, I could ask for water or get water, it would be no problem. But yeah, we will see how long it takes to find water here. So now I got a ride by Ocean. She took me a really long way and she was like the first car that came on that highway intersection after 15 minutes. I'm really glad. Thank you so much. I asked many people on my journey one question. And that question is, how would the world of your dreams look like?
Good question. I don't really know. I'm sorry. I don't know.
Any small idea what you would wish the world would be like that is not right now?
Maybe more kind people. I think.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
You're
too.
a very kind person, so you're one step for a better world. Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
And bon voyage.
You too.
Finally, I was making some distance. She took me about 80 kilometers. Now it's about another 100 kilometers to Spain. So there's a good chance that I might reach Spain today, which would be amazing. Also amazing, we stopped on a rest station. I was able to buy some more water. So now at least I don't have that problem anymore. Uh-oh. Aua. Beautiful car though. Got another little ride. So I'm getting close to Spain. Ahora yo encuentro Natalie
Sí.
y ahora nosotros son en
Biarritz.
Biarritz, okay, yeah. And es una región muy bueno con playa y montañas muy cerca. Y muchas gracias por the lift. And it was very nice talking to you. Bon voyage y bon courage.
Ouais, bon voyage, bon courage.
Meeting very, very nice people today. It's really a pleasure to hitchhike today. And now I'm at the toll station. And I think I go behind the toll station because there are two directions that people can go. And right now I have nothing to make a sign to tell the people which direction I go. Plenty of cars here, so it should be quite good. So I hope no one kicks me out of here. We will see.
I'm sorry, maybe I must.
It's absolutely crazy how many small rides I have today. Normally if you hitchhike the highway you are pretty likely to get a car or many cars that bring you a long way. But today there's been little steps, which is fine, but yeah, it's kind of crazy. You meet so many people, you lose kind of track of how many people you meet in one day. And yeah, now we'll continue to hitchhike. Still didn't make it to Spain. another 2-minute ride, but soon I will reach Spain. Soon I will reach Spain. Whoa. I'm speechless. It's beautiful here.
Qué bonito.
Wow. A ver, ahora yo encuentro María.
María.
Y María, wow. Muchas gracias.
No hay de qué.
María, manejar.
Conducir.
Conducir a San Sebastián y ella no está de San Sebastián y she didn't want to go to San Sebastián. She wanted to go to her town, but she drove me here. So thank you so much. It's very nice.
You're welcome.
And here it's beautiful. And I always ask the people I meet on my travels one question, and that is, how would the world of your dreams look like?
What?
La munda de tus sueños, una munda mejor.
I think the best word is like when the people meet like you and me.
Yes.
Is the casualidad, casualidades and adventures.
Exactamente. Muchas gracias por tu contribución. Yeah. Oh God. My English-Spain mix. What a place. What a first interaction in Spain. What a crazy day. Finally I arrived and I really love the city. I know it already. It's so beautiful. I really enjoy Spain, and yeah, now I will enjoy some calm days in a hostel to edit some videos, because the last time has been absolutely crazy adventures, and then I will show you more of this beautiful town.
Dancing